A cat got trapped inside an outdoor air conditioner unit on the 5th floor of an apartment building. The cat's owner contacted a rescue team, and 2 workers arrived to save the cat. They began using their safety equipment. They lured the cat out of the air conditioner by throwing food from above. One of the workers lowered a rope with a gap big enough for the cat's head. The rope fit immediately over the cat's head, and the cat was pulled upward. The cat was successfully rescued, and the rescue team was happy. They returned the cat to its owner and treated it. To prevent the cat from licking the treated area of its body, a collar was placed around its neck. A month later, the rescue team visited the cat again and found it to be healthy and plump. What a cute cat!